welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming at you guys with yet another ThredUp haul because I am absolutely obsessed with ThredUp. I shop on there all the time. This is not sponsored. I spend my own money to get all these clothes, but I just really felt like my summer wardrobe needed a little infusion of like oomph into it, and there were a few pieces that I had been looking for a really long time that I happened to find, and I was super lucky in this ThredUp haul because everything fits me, and I think I spent like $60 for 5 pieces, and they're really nice brands. There's Topshop, Zara, Madewell. So I think when I actually calculated out the value, it was like $400 worth of stuff. So I'm gonna do a try on haul of all of these for you guys so you can see what I got. Okay, so I originally went on to ThredUp this time looking for overalls because I don't own any pairs of overalls, and Kristen John's high-key inspired me to try to get some long black overalls, which I found. These were a size 4 petite, which is absolutely amazing because if you are a short person, you know the struggle of getting overalls or jeans that are just way too long for you, that like do the scrunchy thing at the bottom of your foot. So I got these black overalls. These are from ASOS, and I think they are so cute. They're a little bit of a lower rise waist, which I actually really like because I feel like there's not as much pressure to like have something that cuts you right in the middle and then like not be able to eat what you want to eat because you don't want to look fat. But they're really simple. They just have like some gunmetal gray detailing on them, and I think they're super cute to wear over like any kind of like a graphic t-shirt. You could wear them over a sweater, over a blouse. And I got these for $14.99, which is great because they were originally estimated at $48 on ASOS's website. So stoked about these. Then while I was browsing overalls, I actually found another pair of overalls. So I went from 0 to 2 real fast. But they are these little denim overalls from Zara. These are in a size small, and I really like the like 2 big pockets in here because A, they're just super handy for like holding things, and also I think they give them like a really cute vintagey look. I also really like that all of the detailing on these, like the clasp thingies at the top and the zipper and the buttons, are all rose gold. And I like that they're like a little bit distressed without being like crazy over distressed. So I'm a big fan of these. I got these also for $14.99, and they were originally $45 at Zara. So these are an absolute steal. So now we get into the part of the haul where I just happened to see things that I really liked and I wasn't looking for anything in particular, which I know is bad, but I found some really cute stuff. So the first one of that category of impulse buys is this romper, which is from Topshop. It's just a black romper, and it's this kind of like crepey material. And what I really love about this is it's 3/4 length sleeves, but the sleeves are like bell at the very end, and it's actually off the shoulder. So I feel like this is really versatile. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, depending on like what jewelry and shoes you wear. And it's also really comfortable because I don't know about you guys, but I hate when I have to go to a fancy event and I have to wear like a super tight dress and like heels, and I'm super uncomfortable. So I feel like this could really be dressed up, but then also it kind of feels like pajamas, which is like the vibe that I'm all about with my clothes. I got this for $36.99, which is a little bit more pricey than I would normally pay for something, but it was originally like $96 at Topshop, and I really liked it. And I feel like it's gonna be a really versatile piece that's gonna last me for a really long time. So I am super happy about this. The first thing that I do whenever I go onto the ThredUp website is to look for Madewell, and this top was the most likes that I had ever seen on an item on ThredUp. It had like 40 likes, and I don't know how I got it in my cart, but I did. And it's this chambray shirt that has 3/4 length sleeves and this little like raw denim edge at the very bottom. It also has a pocket up here on the left, and this is so cute. This shirt was originally $120, and I got it for $26, so I was really happy about that. It's really nice because it's like lightweight, so you could definitely wear it during the summer, but it's also got some sleeves. So like if you're going to the beach at night and you don't want to be like cold, but you also don't want to be hot, it's a good in-between piece. I think this would either be really great to wear with non-distressed white skinny jeans or distressed black skinny jeans with like a little hat. Like, how cute is that? This was one of those things where I like put it into my cart and I was like hyperventilating. I was like, oh my god, I got it. Super happy. And then the last thing that I got in this haul is this skirt from Lulu's, which I've already worn. So this is a little light blue wrap skirt, and it has these super cute little white flowers on it, and then it ties in a bow in the back, which I think is just the sweetest little detail. I love wearing this with my white lettuce hem crop top from Brandy Melville and my favorite shoes in the world. I will say I'm 5'3", and this skirt is pretty short, so I wear shorts underneath it just in case the wind decides to not be my friend and show my underwear to the world. But I think it's so cute, and it's really comfortable too, and just so like summery. I'm obsessed with this. Basically anything that Lulu's puts out, I'm obsessed with. And this skirt was originally $45, which I would never pay $45 for a skirt, but I got it for $8.99. Woo woo! So that is it for my summer ThredUp haul. I think I got some really cute pieces for this season, and they were super affordable. So I'm really excited about this whole haul in general. I think thrift shopping, especially online, is such an easy way to save some money when you're trying to update your wardrobe a little bit for the different seasons. And it's also really great because you are helping the environment by keeping all of these clothes that might otherwise just be thrown out from going into a landfill. So I definitely recommend shopping on ThredUp. If you guys are interested, I will leave a code down in the description below. It'll save you a little bit of money off of your purchase, and again, this is not sponsored. I just really love ThredUp. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite summer essentials are, because I will definitely be thrifting a lot more summer stuff in the next couple of months as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really happy to have you here. We have built such a sweet little community on this channel here, and we recently reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. I'm just so blown away by the fact that 1,000 people want to listen to me sit and talk about things that I love. So thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to make these videos and to do the things that I love. Again, if you haven't already joined the family of buds that we have on this channel, please click that subscribe button down below and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As usual, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!